Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn about adding a humanoid root part to your Roblox models. This is super useful for making your custom characters work correctly with Roblox's animation and movement systems. Without a humanoid root part, your character might not move or animate as expected. It's like the foundation for your character's physical presence in the game. So, let's dive in and learn how to add one. First, let's understand what a humanoid root part is. It's a special part that the humanoid uses as its primary attachment point to the world. Think of it as the character's center of gravity. Next, we'll cover creating the part itself. Open Roblox Studio. Insert a part into your workspace. Rename this part to Humanoid Root Part. This is crucial for Roblox to recognize it. Now, let's position and size the part. Generally, you want this part to be at the character's lower torso or hips. Adjust the size to be a reasonable size for that area. Experiment with the dimensions until it looks right. After positioning and sizing, we will weld the humanoid root part to the character. This keeps the part connected as the character moves. You'll need to use a weld constraint object. Insert a weld constraint into the humanoid root part. Then, set the part 0 property of the weld constraint to the humanoid root part and the part 1 property to the torso or the main body part of your character. Now, we need to make sure the humanoid knows about the new part. Go to the humanoid object inside your character model. Set the root part property of the humanoid to your newly created humanoid root part. This links everything together. Finally, test your character. Run the game and see if your character moves and animates correctly. If something is off, double-check your welds, positioning, and the root part property in the humanoid. Common issues involve incorrect weld connections or the root part property not being set correctly. Make sure your character's other parts are also properly welded together. This ensures that your entire character moves as one single unit. Consider using plugins for auto-welding if manual welding becomes tedious, especially for complex models. Also, double-check that the humanoid root part is unanchored. An anchored humanoid root part will prevent the character from moving. The humanoid root part should also have collision enabled so that the character will interact with the environment. Remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and troubleshoot. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to add a humanoid root part to your Roblox characters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more Roblox development tutorials. Your support helps me create more content. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends who are also learning Roblox development. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.